Hello, Bear Nation. Principal Wilson here with the bad news that summer is coming to a close. But we're excited for school to begin. We've missed the kids being in our building, and I certainly have missed seeing each one of them and sitting in here by myself. I'm ready for the kids to get back. Some important information I want to share with you on this document that you receive. The open house for middle school is August the 1st from 4 to 7. Please utilize the side parking lot by the gym and the front parking lot. You can come anytime between 4 and 7. It's kind of just a museum type open house where you get to meet your teachers on your schedule, as well as some of the clubs and different things that we have going on, check buses, those type of things for open house. A little bit further down, it's very important if you would go ahead and set up your parent portal. With that portal set up, you'll be able to access your student schedule as well as those digital forms that are so important for you to go ahead and fill out. So if you could get some of that done before you attend open house, that is awesome. Also, on this document, you'll be able to see the new bell schedule. We had to make some slight modifications from last year. No huge changes, but your child will be interested in their bell schedule. Another very important item on this document is the schedule change. You'll be able to click there to submit schedule changes. We will get those requests done as they come in as quickly as we can. Also, another important piece of information is we are going to be starting school a little later. We will not open the door until 7:40 a.m. this year. Okay, we had a lot of downtime. If your child needs to be dropped off earlier, please drop them off in the light. But there will not be anyone here before 7:40 to let them in the door. Okay, 7:40 a.m. we will let them come into the building. Breakfast will be served from 7:45 to 8:10. Free and reduced lunch forms there if you need those. After 8:20, your student will be tardy. Okay, the tardy bell will ring at 8:20. They need to be here before 8:20 and in their homeroom. If they're not in their homeroom by 8:20, they will be tardy, and we will track tardies this year. Our students need to be in class to learn, so please have them here well before 8:20 so they can get into their homeroom. Also, those of you the new sixth graders rising, there's a map for the traffic flow. It's very simple. Come up. We have both lanes. In the morning, one lane dropping off in front. In the afternoon, we have both lanes picking up out front. Dismissal will be at 3:25. We will not dismiss before 3:25 this year. Car riders, we need every ounce of or every minute of academic time for our students. We want them to continue to be successful. Also, cell phones are rising. 7th and 8th graders know this policy, but cell phones will be stored away again this year. And I really encourage parents to help us out with this. Please call the front if you need your child. We need those cell phones are so addictive. They need to put them away. They need to turn them off so they can concentrate in their school classroom, inside the classroom, give it the most attention that they need. Those cell phones are competing with our students' attention, and it's just not a good thing. We're seeing way too many kids become really addicted to those phones, and we want them to become addicted to their learning. So please help us out with that. And then the last thing on this document is you have frequently asked questions. Hopefully any questions that you might have can be answered on that document. If not, you always can call the school and give us a ring, and we'll take care of any questions that you might have. We look forward to seeing everybody on the 31st. On the 1st from 4 to 7, and then of course starting school on Friday, August the 4th. You guys enjoy your last few days of summer, and we'll see you next week.